day everyone. So for today we will talk about the history of trigonometry. But before we proceed to our topic, let I this at the end of this lesson the student should be first describe the word trigonometry and enumerate the mathematician. Trigonometry dates all the way back to the early ages of Egypt and Babylon. Angles were measured in degrees and Greek. So here are the following mathematicians under the trigonometry. First is Hipparchus, 127 BC, a Greek astronomer, was the first to compile a table of trigonometric functions based on circle chords, which he calculated in 7-degree, 30 minutes increments, earning him the title of Father of Trigonometry. Hipparchus' tables were updated by Ptolemy, Ptol- Ptolemy, who calculated the values in 30 minutes intervals. Next is Aryabhata from 476 CE to 550 CE. He found sine and cosine. Next is Muhammad 780 CE to 850 CE, who discovered the tangent. The next one is Albert Girard from 1595 to 1632, who was the first to adopt the abbreviations sine, cosine, and tan. Next is Egypt Middle Kingdom had the correct formula for the volume of a frustum of a pyramid 1 over 3.2 plus. Next is Pythagorean triples. Tablet containing a list of triads of numbers dating from approximately 1700 exists. Lemton 322 contains a fragment from a proto-trigonometric table. The zigzagesimal Pythagorean triples, at least 1,500 years before the ancient Greeks developed trigonometry. The Babylonians discovered precise zigzagesimal trigonometry. Instead of approximation in angles, Babylonian exact sexagesimal trigonometry uses exact ratios and square roots. Square ratios. Trigonometry is the branch of mathematics concerned with specific functions of angles and their application to calculations. There are 6 functions of an angle commonly used in trigonometry. Their names and abbreviation are sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, and cosecant. It is a systematic calculation of lengths of side and measures of angles for any triangle. From sufficient given information, based on the definition, various simple relationships exist among the function. For example, cosecant A is equal to 1 over sine. Secant A is equal to 1 over cosine A, and cotangent A is equal to 1 over tangent A, and tangent A is equal to sine A over cosine A. The trigonometric functions are used in obtaining unknown angles and distances from known or measured angle in geometric figures. The word trigonometry comes from the Greek word trigonon, which means triangle, and metron, which means to measure. Until about the 16th century, trigonometry was chiefly concerned with computing the numerical values of the missing parts of a triangle when the values of other parts were given. For example, if the lengths of two sides of a triangle and the measure of the enclosed angle are known, the third side and the two remaining angles can be calculated. Such calculations distinguish trigonometry from geometry, which mainly investigate qualitative relations. How important trigonometry? So the trigonometry is important because of the following reasons. First, to get an education. Number two, to teach. The third one is trigonometry is everywhere. It can be used across disciplines. It is present in science, navigation, engineering. The last one is to understand the basic of something and where it came from. Having knowledge makes you wiser than you already are. That's all. Thank you and God bless.